Hello and welcome to ETL in a nutshell, plus some examples in Power BI. Let's get started. What is ETL? Well, it's extract, transform, and load. And that's pretty much all you need to know. So you're welcome. Hope you have a wonderful day. Catch you on the flip side. But let's really dive into what that means. So if we're looking at extracting, you've got to think of, okay, of all the systems that I have, whether it's Salesforce, SharePoint, a database, whatever that looks like, how do I get the information out of there? For some, it might be an API. For others, you might be even just exporting stuff to Excel and manually loading it over. It really depends. But in Power BI, that's kind of the answer to the question. That's the best thing that tool does is connections. So as you'll see behind me, they have all kinds of connections already built in that they've spent hours and hours setting up for you. So you have it at your fingertips. And it's incredibly powerful to load all of that stuff. And even more importantly, refreshing it. So when you need that new set of data, you don't want to build it all over again. You need to think of, okay, can I get this again and easily? So that's the deuce with extracting. Let's look at transforming. Gotta have my main man Optimus Prime up here because, he knows how to transform better than anybody else. But say you have messy data and you need to go from option A on the left to option B on the right. And you need to get rid of, data you don't care about, like this not applicable that we see here. Or you see, oh shoot, I have two Joe Yangs. I need to get rid of the extra Joe Yang so I have full unique values. And then you go the extra step and realize, oh shoot, I need to get rid of that AW000 at the beginning of my customer IDs. So you do that. And Power BI is incredibly powerful at doing that in something called Power Query. Now, Power Query saves these steps that you do, so every time you refresh that data, like we were talking about earlier, it applies those steps every time. So it's incredibly powerful. So you do it once and you forget it. You don't have to worry about doing it again. After you've got your data looking perfect and ready to go, then you load the data. It's really straightforward, especially in Power BI. You just pull it in and show exactly the kind of information you want. So for this example, I'm pulling all the unique customers by city, stuff we've already loaded after cleaning up. And that's pretty much it. It is really straightforward. I hope this taught you the basics of ETL and helped you get more comfortable with what that looks like, what it really means, and especially what it looks like in Power BI. Really appreciate your time. Hope you have a fantastic rest of your day, and I'll catch you guys later. See ya.